Alright guys, this is going to be a video of this Hunter Savoy ceiling fan. I got this fan from OfferUp maybe about a year ago or so. The same seller that's selling this fan, they also had the whole up breeze, but I don't have it anymore. And yeah, there's the logo. You can tell it's on the wall control this time. Chain is set to high or medium. Looks more like medium, but I think it's high. Yeah, I think chain's on high because the fast low. So yeah, low. Yeah. Yeah, this is also going in my future house. This is gonna go in the indoor pool room outside the sauna. But that wall control, I'm not gonna use it. I'm only using it for testing fan with. Like I said, this fan has a pretty fast low speed on it. See if I can reach it. There we go. To medium. Now this medium is more like high. Goes a little faster. Yeah, I like these fans. Yeah. Yeah, this is pretty cool. When I have this installed, I'm gonna be using a different wall control though. Because, I'm gonna use a fan light wall control. The reason for that is because when I had the fans installed in my future house, it's all going to be on one circuit, which means I'm gonna have about 8 fans on one circuit, 6 fans in that one, 3 fans in that one. Yeah, gonna be pretty cool. Here's high. Yeah, they're pretty good. I like it. Here's off and down. Now, I kept the fan chain in the chain switches in the charging, and it's set to high. Yeah, you can see where the fan chain used to be right there on the switch housing right there. You can see the hole right there. And that's what I also did for this SMC Puck and 3. You can see the hole is right there. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do to my fans nowadays instead of cutting the chain off, such as this one here. See, that chain is cut off, set too high. Yeah, cause if you cut fan chains, it's a waste of time and it's a waste of money. Yeah, so nowadays I'm just gonna have the fan chain pushing it to a charging, but I'm not gonna use it. But the fans in the master bedroom, such as the Hunter bubble, like going in there, whole 3G vent, those fans will have changed. Yeah. Okay guys, bananas over. Yeah, for some reason the blades are. When I had this installed, I don't know if it's gonna sag a little bit because as you can see, I don't know if it's a grommet problem, blade problem, or something like that. It's just a little loose right there. I don't know. Maybe this one here. Actually, all the blades had that thing. The grommets are loose. This one. Yeah, they all had that issue sometimes. Newer hunters had that usually issue like that. Oh, I didn't mention the fan had an airmatic motor in it. Yeah, which is what I believe 2000 model fans have. Yeah, they have an airmatic motor. Some of them do. Low reverse. Not going to be the same performance as what I did forward. Yeah, like I said, low speed is pretty fast on this fan. So, yeah. I can definitely feel it. Ma'am? Why is it doing that, bro? Seriously, man? Keep spinning, what the heck? Yeah, I don't know why it's doing that with the motor. Look at that. That's lazy. Okay, just stop. Oh, still going a little bit. Alright, that's the video. Thanks for watching.